Welcome back, folks. This is Jesse from Wheel and Dirty, and as you can see, I'm sitting in front of the 16 Arctic Cat 300. Braking period's over. Time to change the oil. So we're going to go through the process of changing the oil on this Arctic Cat 2016 300. So what you're going to need 17 millimeter socket. I have it on a 3/8 drive. You can have a 1/4 inch, whatever you want. You know, 1/2 inch. You don't need it that big, but funnel, of course, and a 0W40 multi-weight synthetic oil. Now you can go with what Arctic Cat suggests you do with, I think it's the ACX. Same thing, 0 weight 40. So what we gotta do here, get down. I don't know if you can see too well, but I'll get a close up here. This right here is your oil plug. So let's take that off. Now I did run this engine, get it up to operating temperature, make sure the oil is nice and fluid. The only thing that sucks about that is now you got hot oil all over the place when you're trying to take the plug off. Oh, there we go. Well, here is your magnetic plug. A little bit of stuff on there, not to be expected because of break-in. All right. Yeah, I had to leave you for a second. I had to grab rags. Forgot. That's probably a wise idea. Wash your hands. Well, anyways, you guys probably thought I forgot something at the dealership or the parts store. Well, this 2016 Arctic Cat 300 does not have an oil filter. It has an oil screen. So, no filter change. Oil changes are a little cheaper, but the only downfall of that is if anything starts to break apart in your engine, there's nothing to catch it but a little screen. I don't know about you, but the screen necessarily isn't the thing I want. Filtering my oil for protection, but hey, I didn't design it. So now we're gonna go ahead and get that screen out, and it is right up here. I think you can see, I don't know if you can see me or not right there, but we're gonna put this right here. Maybe get a good picture of it. Not, I'll see. Maybe not. Move the pan over a little bit. This is a 17.2. Oh, there she is. There she is. Like I said, just great. Let's get to. Oh. Let me wipe my hands off so I can grab the camera here. So anyways, this is the little screen that we're talking about. There's not much to it. It's just to catch the bake stuff. It's like there's just a little, that's not metal, I don't know what that is. Maybe plastic from the O-ring coming apart. Nothing inside, looks pretty clean, so really can't tell if it's doing its job to begin with anyways, I guess. So we'll put that right back in. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm pretty sure there's a torque spec for all this, but I'm gonna do the good old German torque, good and tight. Get that started. Crank it down. Alright, there we go. So now, go ahead and put this oil plug back in. And if you really want to go by your torque specs, your manual will have that. All right. All right, so now I got my funnel right here. This is your filler cap for your oil. The funnel in here. All right, now that is your dipstick right down there. It's kind of like an oil gauge sight glass. There, you can see it right there. So we're gonna slowly fill her on up. The use is, I think the manual says 1.5 quarts. So this gallon 5-quart thing of oil I have here will last me a couple oil changes. That's where we're at right now, right above the or right below the second notch right there, low level. So we'll go ahead, stop it there. As you can see, you're gonna hear another 4-wheel in the background. That's my boy running around in his. And we're going to go ahead and start it up for a leak check and also top off if need be. No leaks noted. And then, as you can see, it does go down a little bit, so we'll just be topping her off and they're calling her a day. Well, that concludes the oil change on a 2016 Arctic Cat 300 2x4. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe and get dirty. See you out on the trail.